Today we're doing the Oddbox challenge with the banana and onion. And if you end up doing it, you're a fool. Doing a toastie. Well, I'm gonna warm my pan up and get the butter and onions in.
It's gone into the pan well, isn't it?
I kind of dropped it as I was putting it in. I don't know how this is going to be. I really do not know. I was kind of hoping when I pulled banana that it wouldn't be anything else. But strawberries or cherries?
Strawberry toasty.
No.
Butter melted yet?
Not completely, but some of it. Just throw the onions in.
That's a good
anyway.
idea.
Now I'm gonna cook these down till they're golden brown.
Leave alone, don't fiddle and fart. Leave them alone to caramelise.
Now the onions are ready, just gonna bring them over here. I'm gonna slice my banana. Slice my banana.
Your onion, you mean?
Don't ask me why I said onion. I've got onions on the brain. I'm just gonna pop them in a bowl, add the onions into the bowl, mix.
This looks lovely.
Into doing the toastie, 2 slices. I'm gonna butter one side of each of them. Add some cheese. And now my other slice on top of that.
Well, a slice of what?
Bread.
Oh, okay.
I just want to flip that over so...
Leave it alone! What do you want to flip it over for?
I usually do that when I do a toastie.
No need to, because it cooks the same on the top as it does on the bottom.
I find the bottom cooks quicker half of the time. Fun. I'm gonna take it out now. And that is my toastie. And I'm dreading tasting this.
Well, I'm not exactly looking forward to it. Right, are we having half each or a quarter each?
Why don't we do a quarter each?
But you might enjoy it.
Okay, then we can do half.
I don't want half. I'm going to sample the... Get off me, bloody sandwich. Right, we're going to try this effort that she's made. Go on then. You made it, you eat it.
God, no. I do not even know what that taste is. It does not taste right. God, no. You've got that classic toastie there, yes, but God, no, that taste. The cheese just does not work with the banana. And yeah.
That was revolting.
Yeah.
Do not try this at home.
No.
Waste of good bread, waste of good cheese, waste of good onion, waste of good banana. But some muppet had to try it. And some muppet had to come up with this silly idea of doing a toastie.
I dreaded this. Not a combination.
Score?
0.
She gives it a 0. I'm afraid I'll give it a 0 as well.
Other than if you end up doing it, you're a fool.
It's